Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can easily import products from your Aliexpress website to your Shopify store. And that too, how you can do that with an easy click of a button and for absolutely free. So before we get started, let me give you a quick introduction into my channel and myself. This is my channel Practical Media 101 and my name is Phil. And in this channel, I create tutorials on how to do freelancing, how to make money online, and how to learn digital marketing. If that's the sort of content that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notifications, and give this video a giant thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Now without further ado, let's get into the meat and potatoes of today's video. So here we are inside of a very basic Shopify website, and the first thing that we need to do in order to start with the tutorial would be to go ahead into the App Store. So I will click here on the apps section, and from here I will click on app and sales channel settings, and then I must navigate into Shopify App Store. I must click on this little green button. This would take me into the Shopify App Store. From inside of here, I need to come here into the search bar, and I need to search for the application that we are going to be using for the purposes of today's tutorial. And that app is going to be none other than the Shopify Dropshipman plugin. Let me just search for that. And when I search for that, as you will be able to see, it's this plugin here. It has over 1163 positive reviews. So let me just click on that. And this is the Aliexpress Dropshipman plugin. If you haven't been introduced to this plugin before, this is actually a free alternative to plugins such as Oberlo. Now Oberlo, you might have heard, if you have been within the Shopify loop for a while, you must have heard of Oberlo. It's basically an application, a paid application that allows you to import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. This is actually an alternative to that. It actually has a free plan available, 180 days free trial, and it actually helps you import a bulk of products inside of your Shopify store from Aliexpress. So let me just go ahead and let me click on add app. And let me just go ahead and install this to my website. Now, in order to install this, you will need the backend access of Shopify. You'll need the manager access. So make sure that you have that within your specific Shopify account. Now let it just load real quick. Now, as you will be able to see, the plugin has been installed. Now this is not the first time that I'm installing this on this specific website. I actually installed this earlier. I just happened to delete it and reinstall it again for the purposes of this tutorial. But the first time that you are going to be setting it up on a new website, it's basically going to ask you to go through a setup procedure, which is very easy for you to do. It's very self-explanatory. You just have to do next, and you just have to select the options depending on the kind of website that you're putting together. So let me so since that option is not visible here, let us actually go through the various options that are available within here. So firstly, you will be able to see that there are a number of products here that mostly it's female products. You can see swimsuits here, you can see all kinds of stuff here. These are actually the products that Aliexpress Dropshipman has seen that are getting quite a lot of amounts of sales from Aliexpress, and these are the kind of products that mostly dropshippers are trying to sell nowadays. As you will be able to see in Aliexpress, it has over this product here, these panty products here, you will be able to see that it has over 14,000 reviews. So these are getting a number of sales. So if you want to if you just want to, you can just add these products to your list. And what would happen is that once you go into the product list, you will be able to see that just 1 minute. See, yeah, you will be able to see that it has been added to the product list. So if I want to import this product to my Shopify store, I can just click here on the import product button, click on done, and it will just start importing. And if I want to make any changes to the price and all, I can do that as well, but I prefer to do that within the Shopify product section through the conventional method. So it will just upload, and after the uploading is been completed, I will show you how it looks in the front end. Now, as you might be able to see, the import has been completed, and the app is basically asking us to drop it a review. I'm just going to skip this option for the time being, and let me just go ahead into the product section to just give you an idea of exactly how the product looks within the front dashboard. So just 1 minute. Yeah. So these are a number of products that I imported from the Aliexpress from the Dropshipman plugin. So here's the product that I just imported. Let me just go ahead and let me view that on the front end of the store. So as you can see, yeah, it's been successfully imported with all the variants and stuff. So yeah, looks pretty good. So yeah. Now, one other thing that you will be able to do, it's not like you only have access to the products that are shown here within the front end. Actually, you can import any product on the AliExpress website using this plugin, using this app. So let me just go ahead and let me introduce you on exactly how you can import the various other products that you will find on the AliExpress website to your Shopify store using this app. So here I am inside of the AliExpress website, and I just saw a very cool streetwear jacket, streetwear set that I wish to import to my that I wish to import within my store. So how exactly will I achieve this? Now, AliExpress Dropshipman actually makes this process very easy. All I need to do is that I need to just copy the link here for this web page, and let me just go back into the Dropshipman plugin. And from this interface, what I need to do in order to import that product would be that I would come here into the product list section, and then I just need to paste the URL of the AliExpress product into this search bar right here and click on add product. And as you can see, the Dropshipman plugin has started syncing that product to your AliExpress to your dropshipping store, and within just a matter of time, as you will be able to see, the product has been added to your import list. Now you can just go ahead and click on the import product button, and it will be imported into your live Shopify store. Now coming back, as you can see, the product has been imported within my Shopify store. So let me just go ahead and let me view this on the front dashboard. Let me just go to products. And here it is. Let me just preview this on the online store. And as you can see, it actually absolutely looks amazing. There's all the different color combinations and size combinations here, and it's perfectly synced with the actual product from AliExpress. So this was a quick tutorial on how to easily add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. If you like the tutorial, be sure to like this video and give us an appreciative comment. And thank you so much for tuning in. This is Phil signing off.